Welcome to our educational video on the reasons to invest in Salt Lake City, a captivating destination for real estate investments. Salt Lake City offers a unique combination of factors that make it an attractive investment opportunity. Let's explore why savvy investors are drawn to this vibrant city and how Envy Property Management can assist you in unlocking its real estate potential. Reason number one is a growing population. Salt Lake City and the surrounding areas are experiencing significant population growth. From 2018 to 2023, the city's population has grown by an impressive 15%, making it a prime location for real estate investments. The city's population growth can be attributed to the strong job market, high quality of life, and a desirable living environment. Reason number two is real estate appreciation. Salt Lake City has seen consistent appreciation in real estate values over the past few years. As demand outpaces supply, property values have been increasing, allowing investors to build equity in their rental properties. Reason number three is real estate is a stable investment. One of the key advantages of investing in Salt Lake City is the stable demand for housing. With the land constraints in the valley being located between the Great Salt Lake and the Rocky Mountains, as well as the city's growing population and thriving job market, this ensures a consistent demand for rental properties. Reason number four is high demand. The Salt Lake City real estate market is currently experiencing high demand, with properties selling quickly and at competitive prices. Reason number five, high employment rates. Salt Lake City boasts a low unemployment rate, which contributes to the stability of the housing market and increased demand for rental housing. And reason number six is exemplary educational institutions. Salt Lake City and the surrounding area is home to several renowned educational institutions, including BYU, the University of Utah, Utah Valley University, and Weber State University, just to name a few. This attracts students both nationwide as well as worldwide. The neighborhoods in Salt Lake City boast an exceptional transportation infrastructure that enhances the desirability of properties and increases their potential rental income. With the support of Envy Property Management, a trusted partner specializing in residential property management services, investors can confidently navigate the market and maximize the returns on their investments. If Envy Property Management can help you with your investment property needs, please visit our website at envypm.com or give us a call at 801-337-4337.